Okay, so Chandler's favorite thing is peanut butter. And he mixes it with Cheerios. But his new thing is now insisting that we put his second favorite thing, which is rice, mixed with his peanut butter. And it grosses me out. I think it's disgusting. But he insists on eating it this way. If I get peanut butter on the spoon, he puts it in the rice. Good job. And wants to eat it that way. I'm so grossed out by it because those two things do not go together. And I'm the type of person that eats a lot of things with peanut butter. I'll eat like Krispy Kreme donuts. I put peanut butter on my Krispy Kreme donuts. Or waffles or pancakes. I've always put peanut butter on them. But something about putting rice and peanut butter together just is disgusting. But I'm curious if any other moms are going through this because it's gross. And what combinations of food are your kids eating that grosses you out? That's completely off the wall. I'm curious to know. Yeah. Is it good? I don't know how.